from all over the world. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on your location. I am Prince Mich C, your artist. Right now, let me hit the nail at the head. Right away, there is this argument that is going on all over the world, that is hitting on internet. Who sang Prince Mich C songs? Does Prince Mich C really sing? Or is there anyone singing for him because of the difference on pitch and live voice? Okay, I'll be right back. You are going to hear from the horse's mouth the nothing but the truth. I remember Prince Mich C aka Ngozi Chukwu. Akana Koptankwa. Let me hit you on the point you want to get. In music, we have vocalists, we have instrumentalists, and there is a word, artist. Before I proceed, let me quickly run on this. An artist is someone that can create something from nothing. So when you talk about artistic, builders, architectures, designers, lots of artistic things. But in terms of music, we have artists, someone that can create new songs. We have vocalists, someone that has good voice to sing melodious. We have instrumentalists, people that play equipment of all kinds. So, me as an artist, as a musician, there is this argument that is going on internet, on social media, that is friending every time I post anything on social media. You'll start hearing lots of arguments. Some will tell you he does not sing, some will tell you he sings, some will tell you he's someone that sings for him. Those are arguments that I want to clear at this point. Let me tell you nothing but the truth, what you want to hear. I remember those days when I was an infant. Whenever I hear sound, I will quickly run to the place, listen, cool down, anything that is music. I don't joke with music. So I love music from childhood. Then I tried becoming a drummer. I joined the gospel band music group at Emmanuel Anglican Church, Ezinifite, Agwata. Then I tried learning drum. I tried learning to play bass guitar. I tried singing, doing backups. In fact, I tried so many things in music. That takes me to my friend Afam Noje, a very good friend of mine. Then at Delight International Secondary School, Ekulobia, when I was at the secondary school. This guy, Afam Noje, dated 2002, 2001 to 2002. He was a very gentle man, a lover of music, just like me. Then at his SS2, he recorded an album. The guy was close to me because we are lovers of music. And he launched the album. He made about 60,000 naira. That was huge amount of money then. 2001 to 2002. That was when I picked much interest in music. Yeah. When I finished my secondary school, all I had in my brain was to record my own song. Then I've already written lots of tracks of music. I remembered when my mom used to scold me because of music. If she sent me a message, I would end up where they are playing live band. Can you imagine such kind of life? That brought me to back to what we're talking about. So when I finished my secondary school, I was very eager to record my own song, my own album. I moved from Anambra State to Ibadan. There I met a very powerful man of God, Pastor Ike and Evangelist Cynthia. There I played drum at his church, not church anyway, ministry. Then message came on my head that I will play music, that my song will go around the world, that my voice will be heard all over the world. I moved from Ibadan to Lagos, where I met a young guy that plays reed guitar. Then he had acoustic. That was where I picked more interest. I joined him to St. Paul Anglican Church, Okafa at Lagos. We played there at the church service. One day after the church service, you know how all these gospel band singers do. After the service, they will just be playing. That was where I collected mic and sang my song, Ngozi Chukwu, and everybody were amazed. They so much like this song. One guy picked interest into Chukwu. He picked interest. He said that this song is very nice. Can we go to studio? Yeah, we agreed, and then I didn't know any studio. Chukwu was the one that suggested we go to Gosmok Studio at Onitsha. Hope you are enjoying the vibe. Stay here. I will download you beat by beat. Don't go anywhere. You are going to hear the truth and nothing but the truth, because truth shall set you free. We were deliberating on how to and when to go to studio for the recording. Eventually, one evening, I had a song by all these cassette sellers. That was 2003 to 2004 or early 2004. So the song was so melodious that I picked interest. I loved the song. That was Akanchawa, 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 Nyakani Gewe, Akanchawa, Nyakani Gewe, Akanchawa, Ewo, Akanchawa, Ewo, Akanchawa, Nyakani Gewe. I heard that song, I couldn't remove my ear. I immediately rushed after the guy and collected the song. I looked at the song, I so much liked the beat, the voice, everything about the music. That pushed me more to have more zeal to enter studio immediately and come out with my own song. Later, I played the song to one of my friends. They liked the music also. I then changed my mind from going to Aba for my recording and decided that I will record my own song wherever this lady recorded hers. That was what changed my mindset from going to Aba to going to Onitsha. I started searching for the studio where the song were recorded. By the grace of God, I saw what I was looking for at the same cassette, at the jacket of this cassette. That was how I contacted my friend Ngozi Chukwu. We planned and we moved to Onitsha for the recording. Yes, as we got to Omaba phase 2 in Onitsha, we asked, they directed us to the said studio, Gosmok Studio, Gozek Studio, or Gosmok Studio. Yeah, Gosmok Studio then. Yeah. Immediately I entered the studio. The first person I set my eyes on was Njideka Okeke, Princess Njideka Okeke. Then, now, I don't know, whatever. So, it was an amazing incident because she was the last person I expected to meet at the point. We knew ourselves at Delight International Secondary School when she came to take her final year exam. We took our final year exam together. But I didn't notice her face when I got the music jacket. My mind did not go there to start looking or thinking of whether I know the person. But immediately I saw her physical, I became shocked. She was surprised, I was surprised. She called me by a name that they used to call me at secondary school. I will not tell you the name here. I know you want to know what they call me there. No, I don't want to tell you. So I shouted in Njideka, what are you doing here? She responded, what are you doing here? So we introduced ourselves. She said she was Prince Ngozi Okeke's wife. She got married to Ngozi Okeke. Then that was where when I calmed down and cooled down and ended my journey of looking for elsewhere to record my music. And something happened. So many people also ask this question. Why is this guy not answering Igbo name? Why is his name Prince Mike C. Phillips? Does it mean he is not an Igbo? If he is not an Igbo, why does he sing Igbo songs? Yes, my name is Prince Mike C. Phillips. Prince Michael, and C stands for two names. Yes, two names. One is Chibueze and the other Chukwu Nonso, that is Chinonso. So I didn't know the one I would write when I wanted to do my jacket of my song. I didn't know the one I would write, so I decided to use the letter word C, the letter C. Either you call me Chibueze or you call me Chinonso. But Phillips, hence my grandpa was a Christian, and I had no choice than to answer his baptism name, which is Phillips, than Ilua Kabune. This is a Igbo name, because Ilua Kabune is a very long, spelling. Sometimes it will be not everyone that can be able to write it. So I decided to use the one that is that anybody can write, anybody can mention, anybody can easily remember. So that's, I hope I've cleared A on that one. You can no longer scold me because of Prince Mike C. Phillips. Some of you will come to my DM and start saying, why are you answering Prince Mike C. Phillips? Why you are singing Igbo songs? That is the reason. So if you have more questions about that, tell me in the comment section. I will take my time to explain further. Thank you for that. So, as I was telling you, I want to hit the nail at the head this time, at this point. What you want to know, what you want to hear, and what people have been saying about Prince Mich C. Phillips. I am Prince Mich C. Phillips. As I am telling you this story, I want you to do something for me. Just do one thing for me. Hit the share button, like, and comment, because it's going to be massive.